Land, labor, and hope. This is how the farmer's day begins, awaiting the harvest of dreams.
But the silence is temporary. Under every leaf,
This small attacker can swallow the entire crop.
Time cannot be wasted. The farmer is taking up his weapons, technology, and experience.
It is important to fight intelligently, understand the pest, and only choose effective methods.
Chemical is the last resort. First, deploy nature's own soldiers to the field.
The biological method is proving slow. The enemy's numbers are much higher than we expected.
Every sunrise brings a new challenge. This is not physical labor. It is a mental and emotional test.
The final stage of damage. If not stopped now, a year's worth of hard work will be wasted.
There is no room now. This is a tough and final blow.
The chemical shield is taking its place. The poisonous cloud is breaking the enemy's strength.
the battle is not just against pests. Weather is also a powerful player.
Was the defense successful? Holding my breath, waiting for the result.
Success. The crop has been saved. Once again, the farmer's perseverance has done its job.
This is not the victory of one man. This is the victory of the entire community. Their food and hope have been saved.
The farmer doesn't just grow grain, he nurtures the future of the nation. This battle is fought every day.
जब तक जमीन जिंदा है, ये जंग जारी रहेगा और किसान हमेशा सबसे आगे खड़ा रहेगा।